Yo, what's up, y'all? Let's get to the video, man. Let's skip the intro today, and let's just get to the video. Hold up. You really thought I was gonna skip the intro? Bro, you already know we here, man. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. And as you can tell by the title, it's a wash day, bro. So first, I'm just gonna drench my hair in the water. Take me some time, but I get it done. Then I go in with the black vanilla sulfate free shampoo. I actually just found this shampoo and I decided to use it. It's Carol's daughter, so you can't go wrong with Carol's daughter, you feel me? And with my Tangle Teaser, I'll scrub my scalp while the shampoo's in my hair so I can get the ultimate cleanse for my scalp, you feel me? Who doesn't want to be super freaking clean? Alright, so then I just wash it out, and this is how my hair is looking just after shampoo. Alright, and after shampoo, you gotta go in with the conditioner. I'm gonna be using the 3-minute Miracle Curls by Aussie. This makes my hair super smooth. Just leave it in for like 3 minutes, as the bottle says, and just wash it out. But for the 3 minutes that I leave it in, I want to part my hair in two and twist it. Just like this, man. Exactly like this. And then after the 3 minutes, I just use the Tangle Teaser, and then I comb out my hair with the Tangle Teaser. This is where I start going in with the leave-in. So I start with the Black Vanilla 4-in-1 Combing Cream. And this is where I start raking my hair, alright? I rake through my hair with this product. It's pretty much like a detangler. It makes it very easy and smooth to detangle my hair. Alright, and I go in with the hair milk, the Carol's daughter hair milk. And I also would rake this through my hair. This product is very light, so it's gonna provide a lot of volume for me. It's not gonna weigh down my hair at all. You feel me? Alright? And after that, I just put on the gray cap and I wait about an hour. And here we go, the moment of truth. And at first glance, I can say that I fulfilled my expectations. I am not disappointed in any way, shape, or form with the results. I'm just gonna start shaking my hair so I can get that volume. Alright? I already got the definition and the shine and everything that I like and that you like too. You feel me? Alright? Flip it over to one side, check it out. Flip it over to the, check it out one more time, and start picking. This is a very important part. I love my volume. I can't do anything with flat hair. I just want to put it up in a bun or something. Alright, so I get this volume by using a pick. Pick out the roots, man. If you want hair like mine or somewhat like mine, pick it out from the roots. Only the roots. And since I saw my hair was looking a little bit dry, and I wanted to go in with this Black Vanilla Carol's Daughter spray. It adds a little more shine and it smells really good. And after this, I just shake my hair again so it could spread evenly throughout my hair. And that will be it. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be it for the video. You feel me? I hope you guys learned something today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Bro, you already know we out here, and you already know we out here.